at the numbers posted by Dr. Reddy's laboratories, the pharma major's revenue has gone up 15.8%, and we're looking at it on a year-on-year basis. Their profit has also gone up 1.7%, and the number is 1,404 crore rupees. But margins have contracted by 100 basis points, and the key highlight is the company's Europe business. And that's where we're seeing significant growth. That's 143% growth on a year-on-year basis. Let's just understand these numbers with the CEO of Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. Erez Israeli is with us. Mr. Israeli, thank you for making the time. You know, I was looking at the numbers. Your revenue growth is good, but this decline that we're seeing in EBITDA margins, are we going to see more declines in times to come?
No, the margins are healthy. We still have 28% of EBITDA, and normally we consider everything that is above the 25% something that is very positive, because it's allowing us both to invest into the future as well as to give for the shareholders in that respect. Some of it is related to the mix of products. We acquired businesses, we grew places in other areas. We have timing of products that are coming. But overall, I see that as a very healthy quarter in terms of margins, which we kept about 58% of gross margins and 28% EBITDA. This is actually pretty good.
Fair enough, Mr. Israeli, but last time we spoke, you've said that US markets are going to continue to grow in the second half, but this time it's contributing only about 1%, and a sequential decline of 9% is also what we notice. Can you tell us why?
It's primarily timing. On the sequential, it's primarily timing of products and the procurement of those. Overall, I remain with the same guidance. We will continue to do well in America.
And Mr. Israeli, your base business margins, those were showing improvement. Tell us how they are now and how much more improvement are we likely to see now?
So we are improving in hundreds of crores every quarter. This is exactly the productivity that I mentioned before. You're improving the cost structure, you're improving the performance, you're improving the mix of the product and the mix of the market. Every quarter, this is going to improve.
We wish you luck with that, Mr. Israeli. And before I let you go, do tell us, when can we expect the Bolaram Hyderabad facility to get clearance from the US FDA?
So we answered all the queries that were related to the 483s, and we are now looking for the feedback of the US FDA, who should come in the next coming weeks. I am very optimistic about the outcome of that facility.
Mr. Israeli, thank you very much for joining us with your perspective on the third quarter numbers. Always a pleasure getting in you on the show, and good luck on the path ahead as well.